Hello guys, Fenix has just come out with this brand new model. It's the HM71R and it's included a very tiny, which is called E02R pocket light. Let's unbox this and do a test of it. This one is in a paper box, which I prefer compared to the plastic one because it's less waste. And inside you have this. I would say this one is very nice. Look at it. Look at this tiny one. It's like a baby. There is a groove over here. Here is an O-ring inside as well. You can see that. And there you have the USB micro charging port. Then it stops. You cannot open anymore. And then you close it. And then you meet the O-ring and you feel tension right away. And then if I continue to turn, it will start in step 1 and then turn continue. Step 2, then it's at the maximum, it is no bottom out. Step 1 and off. Look at it. Not much bigger than okay. Let's see. Not much bigger than my pinky finger. What a nice little torch. Also has a small loop you can put your hook or something to. I think there was included in the kit something. There is a small ring and a big O-ring and a small O-ring. The small O-ring is for the one inside here. The bigger one is for the main torch. Let's check that out. This one is new for this year. You can remove it from the holder. You can see there's an arrow. So you have to put this clip. Let's see if you can see the clip. There you have it, maybe. Clip inside the holder. Click it in place. You can also remove it from the clip if you like that. And it has a very strong magnet in the bottom here. Oh, this is very tight. This one works by pressing. If you press and hold just for a second, you will see a charging indicator. This will blink some sequence to indicate what state of charge it has. Press and hold. You get the main torch, which has 4 steps: low, medium plus, and high, or turbo, I think I call it. If you stop it at max and turn it off, it will not start at max. It will start at medium plus, then max. Yeah. If you double tap, you get the wide beam. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Extremely bright, fantastic. And double tap. No, not double tap. You just press and hold, and then you turn it off. You can also lock it by holding this one in. Keep holding, and this one will blink. Then you can't start it anymore. It will always blink. Double tap, it will blink. Hold it, it will not start. But if you hold it for 5 seconds, then it's back on. Then you can touch, yeah. Fantastic! It has the standard rubberized band, which has this silicone rubber inside, so it will not slip on your forehead. Adjustable always, yeah. On the top of the head and on the side of the head. You can also click this one out of this if you don't like it. I don't know why, but you can do it. Let's test them with the glove, and let's see if I can feel it. Yes, I can feel it. And pressing. Oh, yes. Pressing. It's working. Press and hold. Yes. Double tap. Yeah. It's a little tricky with the gloves on, but here we go. Short press. Yeah, it's not impossible. Fantastic. Then you can adjust the angle of it, of course, because you have this rotation. Very nice. I was working on my car here the other day, and then I used this one, and it was excellent. Then you can turn it upside down. Yeah, you understand. Very nice. Let's do a quick test in the darkroom and also test the magnet. The magnet is on the battery cap. And it is very strong. You can easily open the door with this one. Even over here. This is good. This is really nice. Extremely strong magnet. Pitch black. Let's see. Okay, step 1 on the big lens. Step 2. Oh, it's already overpowering the camera. Let's see. Can we change this? How does it look like with my eyes? Yeah, it looks like something like this. Yeah, low, medium, high, and full power. That is excellent. Then we take the wide beam, double tap. Oh, that is weak. This is not like this. Let me see. It feels like no. Oh, nowhere close to it. Yes, this is how it feels to my eyes compared to the camera monitor. This was step 1. Step 2, fantastic. Step 3, okay, maybe one more down, like this. And step 4. This is also a very warm color compared to the other one. Let's take it off and yes, this is definitely whiter. But the ISO needs to come down. Yeah. Off. Double tap. Yeah. Yeah, definitely warmer. No doubt about that. Let me see if I can show you the beam angle. If I turn this one down a little, there we have the maximum on the small light, off, and then on with the other one. The other one is more like a spot. You can clearly see it's a spot. Turn that off, and then double tap, and you get the other one, and this is much wider. Yeah, you don't have the spot feeling over it. Excellent! This torch has a charging port which is rubberized over here. If you can click this one open, and hopefully you can see this. Is it possible? Let me press this one. Yeah, it's a USB-C charging port. And the battery is in here, of course. And again, I have already removed it, but there was a tab. There we have it. There is always this protection tab, which you have to remove for the first time. Battery, big one, 5000 milliampere hours. Yeah. Lights for The box says maximum 400 hour runtime. That must be on the lowest setting. I will provide this one in big on the screen. And of course, then again, the O-ring we were talking about is over here. Yeah. And again, golden. But we have this one. Maybe then it's possible to see it. No. Still trouble. Well, it's inside here and it is gold. Very nice one. This one has an IP rating of, let me see here, IP rating, here it is, IP 68, which means you can put it down to at least 1 meter. I think it's 2 meter. Yeah, 2 meter, it says on the box here. You can put it down 2 meter depth and it should be no problem. IP 68, fantastic. Fantastic. And yeah, some small details here. It says detach over here and it says nothing on the, but it has a big arrow and a small arrow over here. This one can you of course not just use this, but you can put it on a cap or something if you have it, put it on the pocket, on your shirt. Yeah, you know, handy. And you can turn it in the clip. Very nice. Let's test the charging of the little one, which then has this USB micro. And there's a red LED. This tiny red LED turns green when it's fully charged. There are no indication of the status of the charge. But still, excellent little torch. 200 lumens at maximum. Fantastic. Let's try the other one. This is the USB-C. Oh! Straight to over 10 watts. Yes, 10.3. That's extremely good. Well, I think that sums up this one. I will provide links for it so you can check it out. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.